Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi K70 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find more connectivity options. Then let's scroll down and tap on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks and Bluetooth. And here your device again will show you what it will reset, so Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. So let's tap on Reset Settings, and here the information that this might take several seconds, and you will not be able to undo this action, so be aware and tap on OK. And as you can see, we've got this information that the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.